here we are. Welcome to Welltiness 101. Today I am talking about how sometimes you just gotta go outside. So I've been up for almost 7 hours now. It's almost 10 a.m. My 5-year-old decided to knock the trash over already. What else? Tried to plug things up. Yeah, so I think, home is not where he wants to be right now. So for both of our sanity, we are going to play outside. So get some fresh air. You know, it's been rough with the winter and all of that. So it's about time we get outside to play. So I am exhausted, but it's a part of motherhood. So I don't know. You figure it out. You find ways. And then he's been up since about 5 a.m., which is almost normal for him. So yeah, I think we both just need fresh air. So today is about play. So enjoy. Enjoy outside. Have fun and play. Keys for today. Abs, let's go. 1, 2, 3. You got it? Oh, he did it.
How do
He
you
did
do
it. He did it.
That's dirt.
We got worms. Just put them in the dirt so they can go find somewhere to bury. Oh look, here's a friend. Put them all together. Yeah, key of the day. Go outside and play. Right? Good idea? Thanks for coming. Remember, I love you to infinity.